Good day. This is Peter Knipp from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. market for the week ending March 21st. Monthly option expiration helped push the three major stock indices to weekly highs, snapping a three-week losing streak. On the week, the Dow Jones rose over 1%, the S&P 500 increased by 0.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite posted a gain of nearly 0.2%. Treasury bond yields closed lower on the week after the FOMC left rates unchanged this week, but announced a slowing of their QT program. The 2-year note dipped 7 basis points on the week. The 10-year note yield fell 5.7 basis points, and the 30-year bond yield declined by 2.1 basis points. The U.S. dollar increased against a basket of currencies last week as investors weighed the direction of monetary policy versus the impact of tariffs on the economy. Gold prices continue to march higher, posting a third consecutive week of gains as investors looked for the safety away from the volatility of equity markets. The yellow metal rallied 0.7% on the week. Oil prices climbed for a second consecutive week, driven by new sanctions, U.S. sanctions on Iran, and a fresh OPEC plan to cut output put among the 7 members. WTI rose 1.64%. Brent increased by 2.24%. Thanks for listening, and thanks for doing business with Castlestone. We'll talk to you soon.